Good morning dear students, this is Bonani Porokasto. I welcome you all to today's video. Here we are doing the chapter determinants. Question number 15 of exercise 4.2 is let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3, then determinant Ka is equal to 4 options are given. So let's do question number 15. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and the elements are x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3. Then Ka will be the matrix kx1, kx2, kx3, ky1, ky2, ky3, kz1, kz2, kz3. That means each element of A will be multiplied by k. Now determinant of A will be this. Determinant of Ka will be like this. So from each row we can take out k. So if we take out k from row 1, k from row 2 and k from row 3, then outside we will have k cube and the determinant will be like this. So this is the determinant A. So determinant of Ka will be equal to k cube determinant of A. So the answer will be option C. Question number 16. Which of the following is correct? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. None of these. Now see, determinant is not a square matrix. We can find the determinant of that matrix which is a square matrix. We cannot find the determinant of every matrix. So it cannot be B, it cannot be A. Area of a triangle. So the formula to find the area of a triangle formed by joining these points is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now this expression can be written in the form of determinant as like this. Delta is equal to half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So in this chapter, whenever we will find the area of a triangle using determinant, we will use this formula. Now here some remarks are given. The first one is, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant in 1, that means in equation 1. Whenever we will find the area, since area is a positive quantity, so we will take the positive value of this determinant. The next one is, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. That means whenever in our question area is given, then we have to find other things using this area, then we will use positive and negative both values for our calculation. Point number 3 is, the area of the triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. So what do you mean by collinear points? Collinear points means, suppose we are taking 3 points. If a straight line is passes through the points, then this is called collinear points. So whenever these 3 points are given, then we cannot form a triangle using these 3 points. So the area of the triangle will be 0. Now let's move to example 17. In example 17 it is given, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. So first of all we have to write the formula. So this is the formula. What was the formula? Delta is equal to half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Now suppose this 3 is x1, this minus 4 is x2 and this 5 is x3 and 8 is y1, 2 is y2 and 1 is y3. So accordingly we will write these numbers in place of this x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now we will do the calculation by expanding the determinant. So here they have expanded along row 1. So whenever this expansion is done, see here they have not written that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 for this 3 because this will represent 1. Here they have given minus before 8 because minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. So that here the plus sign will be changed to minus. So directly they have written this one. Now for this one, 1 into minus 4 minus 10, here they have not written minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 because minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 means minus 1 to the power 4 and it will be converted to plus 1. So in this way they have done the calculation and here our answer is already positive. So the answer is 61 by 2. So area of the triangle formed by those vertices is 61 by 2. Now the next question is example 18. Find the equation of the line joining A13 and B00 using determinant. So our first question is we have to find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. So to find the equation of the line, since this question is given in the part of area of the triangle, so we need 3 points to use our formula because this formula is for triangle and there we have 3 points. So here we have only 2 points, this A and this B. So we will take another point. Suppose the point is PXY, be any point on AB. Now see, since AB is a line and we are taking another point on AB, so somewhere suppose it is P, the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0 because these 3 points are collinear. Now we will use our formula to find the area of the triangle. So see, here they have written half into, in place of x1, x2 and x3 they have written 0, 1 and x, these first numbers, and in place of y1, y2, y3 they have written 0, 3 and y, and third row will contain 1, 1, 1. Now after doing the calculation, our equation of the line will be y equal to 3x. Now the next question is find k if dk0 is a point such that the area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. Now one more point is given, point D. So suppose this is the triangle, this is A13, this is B00 and another point is given which is D and this is K0. So the area of this triangle is 3 square unit. We have to find the value of K. Now in the remark it was given that whenever area of the triangle is given, we have to use the positive and negative value of the area for our calculation. So here it is given 3 square unit. So in our calculation we will use plus minus 3. So we have used the formula for area of a triangle. In place of x1, x2, x3 they have written 1, 0, k. In place of y1, y2, y3 they have written 3, 0, 0. As our points are A is 1, 3, B is 0, 0 and D is k, 0. So in place of x1, x2, x3 they have written these points, and In place of y1, y2, y3 they have written these points, and column 3 will contain 1. Now see, from expanding this determinant, in the left hand side we have minus 3k by 2 is equal to plus minus 3. Now how we will do the calculation? We will take minus 3k by 2 is equal to plus 3 and minus 3k by 2 is equal to minus 3 again. Now from here we will get k is equal to minus 2, and from here we will get k is equal to plus 2. So the value of k will be 2 and minus 2. Now let's start the exercise. Now question number 1 is find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. So here 3 questions are given. So let's do question number 3. So this is question number 3 of question number 1. So here the points are minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. So we have used the formula of the area of the triangle. Now in place of x1, x2, x3 we have written the numbers, and y1, y2 and y3. In place of these 3 we have written these numbers. Now after doing the calculation, here we have done the calculation along row 1. That's why here we have written minus 2, minus 3 and 1. So we have done the expansion along row 1. After doing the calculation, our answer is minus 15. Since we know area of the triangle can never be negative, so we will take the absolute value. So the area of the triangle is 15 square unit. Question number 2 is show that points A, B, C are collinear. So how we will show that 3 points are collinear? We will show that the area of the triangle formed by joining these 3 points is 0. So this is question number 2. So in place of x1, x2, x3 we have written A, B, C. In place of y1, y2, y3 we have written B plus C, C plus A and A plus B. So and the third column will contain 1, 1, 1 according to our formula. Here we will use some properties of determinant to make the element 0. So since in row 3 we have 1, 1, 1, so we can make this element 0. So here we have written row 1 is replaced by row 1 minus row 2. So after doing this operation we have A minus B, B minus A and 0 in row 1, and row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 2. So row 3 will be C minus B, B minus C and 0. So from row 1 and row 3 we can take out A minus B and B minus C. Then after doing the calculation of this determinant we will get the answer 0. If we expand the determinant along column 3, since we have 2 zeros in column 3, then our answer will be this row and this column we have to eliminate. Then we have to do 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So the whole answer will become 0. Since the area of the triangle is 0, so the 3 points are collinear. Question number 3, find values of k if area of triangle is 4 square unit and the vertices are. So 3 vertices are given for each question and the area for each question is 4 square units. We have to find the value of k. So let's do question number 3 to Roman 2. So this is question number 3(2). So here we have used the formula of area of the triangle. So in place of x1, x2, x3 we will write this -2, 0 and 0, and in place of y1, y2, y3 we will write 0, 4, k, and for column 3 it is 1, 1, 1. Now we will do the expansion along column 1 since we have two zeros in column 1. So it will be half into -2 into, we have to eliminate this row and this column. So 4 into 1 is 4 minus k into 1 is k. Now since -2 is in row 1 and column 1, then it will be -1 to the power 1 plus 1, so it will be converted to 1. That is why we have not written anything like that. We will write in place of area of the triangle plus minus 4 because the area of the triangle is given 4 square units. Now whenever we will use the area of triangle for our calculation, we will take positive and negative value both. So plus minus 4 is equal to k minus 4. Now we will do the calculation like 4 is equal to k minus 4. So from here we will get k is equal to 8, and again we will do -4 is equal to k minus 4. So from here we will get k equal to 0. So the values of k will be 0 and 8. So this is our question number 2 of question number 3. Question number 4, question number 1 of question number 4 is find equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Now whenever we will do this kind of question, we will assume a point on the line joining these 2 points. Since we are assuming the point on the line, then the 3 points will be collinear. Since the 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points will be 0. So let's do question number 1 of question number 4. So this is the solution of question number 1. Here we have written let Pxy be any point on the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So area of the triangle formed by joining the points xy 1, 2 and 3, 6 is 0. So it will be half into, in place of x1, x2, x3 we will write x1, 3, and in place of y1, y2, y3 we will write y2 and 6. Now we will expand it along row 1. After the expansion, our answer is 2x is equal to y. So this is the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. Question number 5. If area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and k4, then k is. So here 4 options are given. We have to find the value of k. Here we have to use plus minus 35 for our calculation to find the value of k. So try to do question number 5 yourself. This is same as question number 3.